even changed.
So this looks like the Foch.
That's what I said, M-Foch. M-Foch.
We have Concord grapes, right?
And M-Foch too. M-Foch. Those are wine-making grapes, guys. They're
Small
not-
one.
They're sour.
Really?
Try
Yeah,
one, Kimo.
try it.
Our grapes are sour.
No, those are meant to be sour. Even when ripe, they're not as sweet as the Concord.
Oh man.
Like the, oh, I know what you're gonna say. Command.
Sour.
It's pretty good.
Destiny, you want to try one?
No.
Not
Uh,
bad.
Don't eat it off the floor. Don't eat it off the floor. Can Mochi have one?
No.
No,
I can't
dogs
have
can't
grapes.
eat grapes.
Yeah, I know. They're poisonous.
These are the ones that stain your hands.
Yeah.
The ones that. Why don't you take some?
Sir, we have some.
The wine grapes?
Yeah, they're wine making. They're not very good for
I
eating.
like these better. These are okay.
Yeah.
Oh, heck no. Papa! Don't let it get stuck in your throat like mine. Mom's half purple, half yellow over there. Her tongue is
Oh,
half
is it?
yellow. Oh, sour.
Here's a little one.
They're a little bit sour. They're not. They're more for wine making. Here you go, guys. It's not sweet enough for eating, and these are a lot smaller, a bit larger, a 1/4 inch diameter.